Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a sort of glowing text effect in Photopea, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this tutorial by Edits 101 just to make it shorter, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do is create a new project with a blank page or blank background, and then add the text however you would like. You can add whichever font, whichever color you would like, and that is pretty much it. Then what you want to do after that is change the background by filling in the background. You can go into layer, new layer fill, and color fill, and just selecting the color and filling in the background, or you can select the background with a magic wand and then fill in using edit, and then go into fill and then pick a color of your choice. However, all you have to do is just select and color the background of your text. Make sure that the background or the color fill layer is behind the neon effect, and that should be pretty good. And yeah, you need to create a color fill just to make it below the neon effect. So that is pretty much it. You can also add a layer below it, a custom layer, and then fill that in however you can fill it in however you know how. And once you're done with that, you need to convert the text by right-clicking the layer to a smart and clicking convert to smart object, and then you need to choose down under effects. You need to choose blending options. Then once you're there, you just need to select from the layer style window, you need to select the inner glow and choose these settings, or you can play around with them if you wish, but these are the settings that are in this tutorial. Then you need to select the outer glow and enter these settings. Once you're done with that, you can click OK and exit the layer style, and then you can refine it by going and duplicating the text layer and using the copied layer and right clicking on it and selecting blending options. Then you can unselect the inner glow, select stroke, and enter these settings, and then you can go to the outer glow and change the size to 250 pixels and click OK, just so that you have sort of a shine effect with this sort of blended darker effect right outside the light, just to create a sort of a light transition illusion. And then what you need to do is change the background to whatever image you would like, and that is pretty much it, and you should get something like this. You can play around and add a drop shadow if you would like. You don't need to, it is completely up to you, but that is pretty much how you create a glow effect, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.